So good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make a mark sheet in Excel, okay, and to calculate total marks, percentage, grade, and result. Okay, so I already typed this question in Excel. आपके बुक में भी ये वाला क्वेश्चन दिया होगा, okay? Same kind of question given here in your book also. So suppose there's a roll number is mentioned here, name is mentioned here, gender, subjects of 5 subject, total marks, percentage, grade, result. Okay, यहाँ पे हमने कुछ ज्यादा रिकॉर्ड्स लिखा हुआ है, आपके बुक्स में कम है, तो एक काम करते हैं, चलो एक सेम आपके बुक में जैसा है वो वाला कर लेते हैं, ठीक है? तो इजी होगा, फिर हम उसको करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है यहाँ पे, नेम, देन कंप्यूटर, देन मैथ्स लिखा हुआ है, उसके बाद लिखा है SCIENCE साइंस, देन टोटल मार्क्स, परसेंटेज, ग्रेड। इंक्रीज कर लेते हैं, या टू इंक्रीज द विड्थ ऑफ द सेल्स आल्सो। इसको थोड़ा ठीक कर लिया। नेम, सो राइटिंग है द नेम, okay, names are given there. Okay, now marks in computer. What is the marks given in your book? 52, 45, 87 and 88. Maths में 63, 38, 75, 63. And a science 56, 28, 69 and 58. Okay, total marks. Now you write formula for the total marks, percentage, grade and result. Okay, now first let me write here this formula as given in your book. टोटल मार्क्स का फॉर्मूला क्या लिखा है आपने बुक में, सम ब्रैकेट B2 कॉलम D2, okay, it's EQUALS 171, it's mentioned, okay। परसेंटेज में क्या लिखा है आपके इसमें बुक में, टोटल नंबर डिवाइड बाय ओरिजिनल नंबर मल्टीप्लाई 100 plus 57, ओके। ग्रेड में क्या लिखा है आपके इसमें, if bracket F2 greater than equal to 90 comma यहाँ पे लिखा है 90 then comma then again if, इस पे लिखा है कितना 80, इसमें लिखा है B comma again same thing 70 C 60, इसमें लिखा है D comma E, लास्ट में लिखा है 1 2 3 4 5 इक्वल लिखा है E। रिजल्ट फॉर्मूला का लिखा हुआ है, if bracket f2 greater than equal to 50 comma pass the same formula is given in your book. Okay, I'm going to highlight it, तो थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देता हूँ. Okay, so now you have to apply the formula here for total marks. What is the formula? Should be यहाँ पे equal मैंने नहीं लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है, तो काम करते हैं, कंट्रोल एस किया, यहाँ पे मैं करता हूँ पेस्ट, यहाँ पे मैं ये लगाता हूँ इक्वल का साइन. Use the format painter option and click here, so it will apply the same effect in it. ये फॉर्मूला होगा. ओके, सो total marks formula should be equal SUM sum, then you have to start the bracket, then you have to select all these three number, this computer, math and science, इसको select करोगे. So आ गया अपना आप ये B2 column D2. When you close the bracket, then simply press enter, so you will get the answer 171. Is it correct answer? Now calculate the percentage. Equal total number is this 71, so click on this total number, then divided by the original number. What is original number? Original number means that what is the actual maximum marks of the exam. Suppose there are 3 subjects and each subject has 100 marks. Each subject is for the 100 marks, so 100 plus 100, 200 plus 100, 300. So the original marks will be the 300, and then multiply by the 100, so there's a percentage 57. Okay, we'll do the grade formula later on, पहले ये समझ लेते हैं. I'm going to repeat again. If you want to calculate total marks, so you can do simply while like that also. Equal, click here, plus sign, click it, plus sign, click this, and then press enter. Otherwise, equal SUM sum, start the bracket, select all these 3 numbers and close the bracket, and then press enter simply. Okay, you will get the total marks. Now you have to find out the percentage. So this student Ahmed, he got 171 out of how much? Out of 300, because there are 3 subjects, so each subject is 100 marks, suppose. So the total mark should be the original mark should be the 300. Okay, so we have to apply this formula. Equal, then total number, so click on this total number. When you click on total number, so the name of this cell will come E2. Okay, then divided by the original number. Original number is the 3 subjects, so it's been the 300, then multiply and then 100. Simply you got the percentage. Okay, we will do grade later on. First I'm going to write the formula for the result. And suppose this student Ahmed, if he get more than 50 marks, then he should be passed, but if he get less than 50, he should be failed. So there's one condition, so this is called the if condition. You have to write the condition like the same. Okay, equal, then if, then start the bracket, then you have to select the percentage. Okay, I'm going to apply the formula here. एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ पे रिजल्ट कर लेते हैं और यहाँ पे ग्रेड कर लेते हैं, तो इजी हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इसको बाद में कर लेंगे. ओके, so equal if, start the bracket, if what? If this percentage value, this 57, then click on this percentage. If this percentage is greater than equal, look at here, we are writing the formula, we are writing the condition. If this percentage is either 50 or more than 50, so there should be one message show, that is the pass. So after writing this condition, you have to write like that. If this F2 percentage is greater than or equal to 50, then what will happen? Then put one comma, then write the message in डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, देन यू हैव टू राइट द डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा, और डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के अंदर आपको टाइप करना है, यहाँ पे क्या टाइप करोगे, यू कैन लुक एट द फॉर्मूला हियर आल्सो, ओके। इन द डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा के बीच में आपको क्या लिखना है, पास, देन कॉमा, either the number can be 50 or more than 50, otherwise less than 50. So अगर 50 होगा और more than 50 होगा then pass, if the number is 50 and more than 50 then pass, otherwise क्या होगा, fail. So for the second condition I am writing like that, और यहाँ से इसको बंद किया और मैं यहाँ से कर दूंगा FAIL, fail, okay. I can write this formula in another way also, एक बार फिर से देखेंगे, ठीक है। So first I am going to again calculate the total marks for the Asha, equal SUM sum, start the bracket, select all these three numbers, close the bracket, press enter, okay. Equal SUM sum, start the bracket, select all these three numbers, close the bracket, press enter. Equal SUM sum, start the bracket, select all these numbers and close the bracket, press enter, okay. Now percentage equal this total number divided by the 300 and multiply by the 100, equal this total number divided by the 300 and multiply by the 100, equal this total number divided by the 300 and multiply by the 100. Now formula for the result, equal if bracket, if what, if this number is more than or equal to 50, then comma, then write here message, comma, message में क्या लिखना है, we have to write here the pass, and then again double inverted comma, otherwise you can again write the same condition. I can write the same condition again, if again, if bracket, if what, if this number is less than 50, okay. I can write like this also, if the number is 50 or more than 50 then pass, if the number is less than 50 then it should be fail. तो इसके अंदर क्या लिखोगे, FAIL, fail, and then how many times we start the bracket, 1 and 2, 2 times, so we have to close the bracket 2 times, 1 2 like that, okay. So we get here the another formula also, एक और formula हमको मिल गया यहाँ से, if bracket f2 greater than equal to 50 comma pass comma, if bracket f2 less than 50 comma like this, ठीक है। हम ये भी ले सकते हैं इसकी जगह पे, either gonna write this one or this one, both formula is okay, दोनों फॉर्मूला ठीक है, ठीक है। तो आप इसमें से कोई भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, इक्वल इफ ब्रैकेट, इफ व्हाट, इफ द परसेंटेज इज more than or equal to 50 comma, then pass, otherwise you can write directly fail, equal if bracket, if what, this percentage greater than equal to 50 comma pass, again if start the bracket, if percentage is less than 50 comma fail, 2 times bracket close and then press enter. This is the answer, okay. This student got less than 50, that's why it's fail. अगर यहाँ पे हम किसी का मार्क्स कम कर देंगे, like I make it 20, okay, 88 से 20 कर दिया, then also decrease the percentage, now it's percentage 47, so he is also fail, okay. If it will be 50, then what will happen, suppose I'm writing here the 50 marks here, 40 marks here, 52 here, so now it's 50% is, so pass, ठीक है ऐसे। Now grade formula, grade formula is also based on the if condition, grade formula is also based on the if condition. So first let me write the formula what is given in your okay, ये बुक में लिखा हुआ है ना सेम फॉर्मूला आपका ग्रेड वाला, मैं इसको ऐसे कट कर लेता हूँ, इसको नीचे पेस्ट कर देता हूँ। अब हमको ये ग्रेड का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है, ओके। सो इक्वल इफ, स्टार्ट द ब्रैकेट, इफ व्हाट, if the percentage same, if the percentage is greater than equal to 90, then comma, then double element comma, then write what? If the percentage is equal to 90 or more than 90, then it should be A. It should be A. Suppose sorry यहाँ पे थोड़ा गलत हो गया है. यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए? A is the formula. Okay, so equal if the percentage, now this grade is based on the percentage. Okay, this grade is also based on the percentage, same like result. If the percentage is 50 and more than 50, then pass. If percentage is less than 50, then fail. So now we are going to apply another formula here for grade. If the percentage is more than equal to 90, it's 90 or more than 90, then it should be A. फिर कॉमा लिखो, फिर if, again bracket, if what? Percentage is greater than equal to 80, then comma, then what? B. क्या हो जाएगा? B. अगर परसेंटेज 90 होगा या 90 से ज्यादा होगा, then A. If the percentage is 80 and more than 80, then B. Then again comma, then again if. You have to repeat only this thing again and again. If F2 means the percent. If percentage is more than 90, then A. If percentage is more than 80, then B. If percentage more than 70, then C. If percent more than 60, then D. Like that you have to write the formula. Okay. Well, it's not a big formula. It's very small. Only this much. If this F2 is a percentage, अगर ये percentage क्या होगा? More than 90, then A. If percentage more than 80, then B. If percentage more than 70, then C. If percentage more than 60, then D. If percentage more than 50, then E. ऐसे आपको करना है, सिर्फ छोटा सा याद करना है. Okay, you have to memorize only this much at the beginning. ये जो लिखा है. Okay, so now if, again bracket, if what? If the percentage is more than equal to 70, then comma, then write here the C. Again comma, then if, again bracket, if what? Percentage, you have to click here. Either you can write from your mobile also. Okay, if percentage is greater than equal to 60, comma, then write here the D. Again comma, if, then if percentage is greater than equal to 50, comma, E. यहाँ तक हो गया E. Please you can see the formula here also. अगर आपको यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है समझने में, it's not visible here properly, so you can look at the formula here also. यहाँ पे formula बार में देखना. If what? E. Okay, then comma, उसके बाद क्या लिखा हमारे पास यहाँ पे? Fail. Last condition is the fail. Either number is 50 or more than 50, otherwise less than 50 ना. So last condition के लिए फिर से if condition नहीं लिखना होता है. For the last condition, no need to write if again. Okay, आप simply उसका message type कर सकते हो. Fail. Then how many times you have to close the bracket? 5 times, because we have to start the bracket. We have started the bracket 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we start the bracket, so 5 times we have to close the bracket also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then press enter. We got the answer E, right? I'm going to write again the same formula here. If what? If percentage is more than equal to 90. Okay, if you're confused that what is F2 is the percentage. If percentage is 90 and more than 90, then it should be A, comma, if what? Percentage, PER is the percentage. If percentage is more than equal to 80, then it should be B, comma, if bracket percentage is more than equal to 70, comma, C. Okay, then again comma, if bracket percentage is more than equal to 60, it should be D. If bracket percentage more than equal to 50, it should be E. And the last condition should be fail. And 5 times close the bracket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that. Okay. मैं इसको भी same apply कर लेता हूँ. Form at the place of F2 you can use a PR percentage. Okay. But right now I am यहाँ पे हम यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे F2 के ऊपर. Now on the third row, so it will come as a F3. At the place of F2, it will come F3 equal if bracket if what this percentage is more than equal to 90, then comma it should be how much A, comma if again bracket if percentage more than equal to 80, comma B, comma if again bracket if percentage more than equal to 70, then comma C, then comma if bracket percentage greater than equal to 60, then D. Okay, comma if again percentage greater than equal to 50, it should be E. You can look here the formula E, then W, comma, then again for the last condition directly write the fail. Now close the bracket 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. Simple. You can do one thing, you can select this percentage column. Okay, in simply you can select this percentage column and you can click the option, which one, formula. There's option name manager. Okay, click a new option and write here the PER. For percentage write simply PER. Okay, I'm writing here the PER. इसको लिख दिया. आप ये टोटल मार्क्स को भी नेम दे सकते हो. टोटल में यहाँ पे जाके न्यू पे क्लिक किया, you can write here the total. Now when you are going to apply the formula here for the grade, so I can write equal if bracket PER. Now I am not going to click here. I will directly let PR ही आ जाएगा अपने आप ही. If percentage is more than equal to 90, comma it should be A, comma if bracket PER percentage greater than equal to 80, then comma it should be B, comma if bracket percentage greater than equal to 70, comma C, comma if bracket PR percentage greater than equal to 60, comma D. Okay, comma if bracket percentage greater than equal to 50, comma E, comma if last condition. For the last condition we can write here like if bracket PR percentage, we can write here now less than 50. We can write here the less than 50 also. Less than 50, then it should be fail. We can write the formula like this also. Now we have to close the bracket 6 times because we add here one more bracket. Okay, you can write after E, if percentage less than 50, then fail. Otherwise you can directly give message here as a fail also. आप इसको simply भी कर सकते हो. At the place of writing this, you can remove this. Last condition you can write simply like that, and then FAIL fail, and this it's also correct. Okay, so there's a two ways to write the formula. Okay, for the grade, and we know already if we apply formula one time, so we can click and then drag the mouse, automatically formula will update for all the cells like this by one also, or we can select all the formula together. ये सबको select किया, then click here and then drag the mouse down like this. Okay, so by that we can calculate the total marks, percentage, result, grade, all. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing here also. ये भी है. This question is for the 3 subjects. Okay, now we are going to do the same thing for the 5 subjects. See, now there's a 5 subjects. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so for the total marks क्या होना चाहिए formula? Equal assume sum, start the bracket, select all the numbers, close the bracket, press enter. Okay, एक बार फॉर्मूला टाइप किया, इसको ड्रैग कर देते हैं नीचे तक, सबका हो गया. परसेंटेज we can give the name also. Select किया, okay. For total marks we are giving name here, total. एक काम करो, इसको यहाँ से डिलीट कर दो फर्स्ट, अदरवाइज विल गेट प्रॉब्लम फॉर अस ना इसमें। हाँ, उसको डिलीट कर दिया फॉर्मूला जो हमने नेम मैनेजर क्रिएट करना। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट द नेम मैनेजर फॉर दिस शीट, ओके। इसको सिलेक्ट किया, नेम मैनेजर, न्यू ऑप्शन, क्या देखेंगे इसको नाम, टोटल कर देते हैं, ठीक है। select the percentage also, give the name manager, click new, PER problem, ठीक है। now for the percentage equal, we know the formula equal, we can click on total marks divided by the, there's a 5 subjects, so we have to divide the 500 and multiply by the 100, so we'll get the answer. Otherwise we can do one thing, equal, we have to write total divided by the 500 and multiply by the 100. We can do this also. Otherwise, if there's a 5 subjects and each subject is about the 100 marks, so total marks is 500. So we can do one thing, we can write percentage divided by the 5 also. If there is a 5 subjects and each subject is the 100 marks, then only, not in another condition, ठीक है। तो इससे भी आंसर आ जाएगा आपका। PER percentage, otherwise you can do one thing, equal करो, इसमें क्लिक करो, डिवाइड करो, 5 करो, इससे भी आंसर आ जाएगा, ठीक है। सो इट्स अप टू यू, यू कैन अप्लाई एनी ऑफ द फॉर्मूला। फिर ग्रेड के लिए ये भी इजी है, वी नो द फॉर्मूला, इक्वल, if what, if the percentage greater than equal to 90 comma, we'll write here the A comma, if bracket, if what, this percentage is, यहाँ पे देखना फॉर्मूला, ठीक है, यहाँ पे समझ में नहीं आया, if percentage is greater than equal to 80, then comma it should be B comma, if bracket percentage greater than equal to 70, it should be C comma, if bracket the percentage is greater than equal to 60 comma, it should be D comma, if bracket if percentage greater than equal to 50 comma, it should be E comma, फिर यहाँ पे लिख दो FAIL fail 1 2 3 4 5, close the bracket, press enter, आंसर आ गया। Otherwise you can do one thing, equal, if bracket PER, because we know the formula, okay, we already give the name for the percentage column PR, if percentage greater than equal to 90 comma, it should be A, like that, again comma, if bracket PR percentage greater than equal to 80, it should be B comma, if bracket, if what, if percentage greater than equal to 70, it should be C comma, if bracket PR percentage greater than equal to 60, then it should be D, if bracket percentage greater than equal to 50, it should be E, and the last condition, write the simply FAIL fail 1 2 3 4 5 time bracket and press enter, we got the answer। You can drag the mouse also like this, सबका calculate हो गया। Now result is easy, equal what, if what, PR percentage, sorry, equal if, then bracket PR percentage, if percentage is greater than equal to 50, it should be pass, otherwise it should be fail, sorry, वो जीरो हो गया टाइप लास्ट में, like this, equal, if bracket, if what, percentage greater than equal to 50, it should be pass, if percentage is less than 50, it should be fail. Okay, you can use the both way to write the formula, and then click, and then you can drag the formula this also. But I'm requesting you, I'm suggesting you, don't do like click and drag the formula, because right now you're learning Excel first time. So write down the formula again and again, type the formula again and again. आप जितनी बार फॉर्मूला टाइप करोगे उतना अच्छे से आपको समझ में आएगा. ओके, सो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. ये आज का आपका होमवर्क भी है, आपको कंप्लीट करना है. पेज नंबर 82 में मार्कशीट क्वेश्चन है, उसको करना है. There's 3 subjects given in your book, but you have to make the mark sheet also which contains 5 subjects, जिसमें 5 subjects होना चाहिए. 1 2 3 4 5 subjects. Then get the total marks also, percentage also, grade also. Okay, and you have to find out the result also. So thank you all of you.